Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So keep reading kinematics in one dimension. And we call this chapter name is motion in a straight line. Okay.
Okay.
One dimension means, what is meaning of one dimension?
Uh,
Object is moving either x direction or y direction, not in
yeah.
both direction. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give example two dimension ka?
Uh, any like thing you write or you draw on an A4 sheet
अरे
or
ये
like a
फोर
paper?
शीट के नहीं नहीं फिजिक्स के एग्जांपल्स बोलो थोड़ा.
Oh,
Okay. Suppose it is circular motion. Okay. You
yeah.
tell me when the object is coming here, it has covered simultaneously x distance and y distance simultaneously. When the object came here, it has covered simultaneously x distance and y distance. So this is a two-dimensional motion. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you are throwing a ball like this. You are throwing a ball. Okay. The path is like this, right?
Yeah.
When the object came up to here, the ball came up to here, it has parallelly covered x distance and y distance simultaneously.
Yeah.
When the ball came here, x distance, y distance simultaneously. These are two-dimensional motions. So
Okay.
dealing only one dimension first in this chapter, man. So
Yeah.
either you have to go in x direction or y direction. There is a one dimension. So first we have to understand what is kinematics. So according to you, what is kinematics?
I don't know.
Okay, that is called kinematics.
Yeah.
No, देखो, kinematics means it is a branch of physics that deals with the motion of object without considering the cause of that motion. Like,
Okay.
we are dealing if the object is moving, we will tell we want what is the velocity after 2 seconds, what is the displacement after 5 seconds. We want to know what will happen in future, but we don't want the cause why it is moving. We don't want. That is
Okay.
called kinematics. So kinematics deals with the motion of object without considering the cause of that motion. That is called. And what is the cause of motion? Because of force, right? That
Yeah.
forces we are not dealing in this.
Okay.
Right down. Is all notes may always keep. Revision may it will be useful for you.
Yeah.
So name is kinematics means means motion, and mathematics means mathematics. So whenever object is in motion, we are using maths here only completely. That is
Okay.
called kinematics.
Yeah, I've noted it
Okay.
down.
Now in this chapter, may we are dealing some variables such as distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, graphs. We are studying motion under gravity, relative velocity. This all, if you finish this chapter, done. Okay.
Yeah.
So these things you know already in ninth grade. Distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, some graphs also you know, and motion of gravity also you know a little bit about in ninth grade, man. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are dealing majorly till here. We'll learn nicely all things. Okay. Tell me distance. What do you know about distance?
Distance is the movement. Distance is like the area covered when you move from point A to point B.
So the actual path length covered by an object from one place to other place when you walk, right? How much path length you cover? That is called distance. Okay.
Yeah.
The actual path length covered by a moving particle in a given interval of time is called distance. And what is the SI units?
Meters.
Meters. And is a scalar quantity?
Yeah.
What do you think of scalar quantity?
It has no direction.
It has magnitude only.
Magnitude. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So write down SI units is meters. And dimension wise, what we represent? Distance ko?
Distance
In
is L1
L. Good.
to the power 1. Yeah.
L से represent करने हैं. So the distance of a moving body can never be zero. Right or wrong?
Right.
Because whenever object is in motion, compulsory distance is covered. It is not zero.
Yeah.
Hmm. Copy down.
Yeah, sir, I noted it down.
Okay, चलो. Now, now we'll talk about displacement. Displacement का symbol है S से represent करेगा.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what is displacement? What do you know about displacement?
Displacement, it's not the path, it's like the closest distance from point A to point B.
Very good. The shortest distance.
Shortest.
So
Yeah.
wherever you go does not matter. Where you started initial position, where you came to the final position, just draw one line. That line represents displacement. Okay.
Right.
The shortest distance from initial to the final position is called as displacement. And it is vector quantity or scalar quantity?
Scalar only, right?
No. Displacement is a vector quantity because we indicate direction. Initial position where, final position where, will join, right? That line is nothing but displacement. It is vector quantity. Okay.
Okay.
So it is vector quantity, both magnitude and direction will be there. That's why vector ko we represent like arrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Vectors is a separate chapter actually. We finished, but I will teach in between me. Okay.
Okay.
Displacement is this one. Symbol is S. And SI units is meters.
Yeah.
And can a moving body have a displacement 0?
Yeah.
Example?
So you start from point A, but you take a circle, end up back in point A, then the displacement will be 0.
Very good. Super. So the displacement of a moving body may be 0. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you do the ratio of distance by displacement, whether it is greater than 1 or lesser than 1 or equal, greater than equal to 1,
Sorry?
distance upon displacement ratio, if I divide, what will be the ratio here? In every case में, general case में, it is greater than equal to 1, lesser than equal to 1.
Greater than equal to 1.
Yes. Distance by displacement is always greater than or equal to 1. Because it may be distance and displacement can be equal to 1 also.
Yeah.
But it is not more than 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now displacement के base में questions will be there.
Okay. Yeah, sir. Done.
Okay. Chalo. Now we'll do numericals based on the distance and displacement. Okay.
Yeah.
Try. A car is moving in a circular track of radius 70 meters. A car है circular track में A to A जा रहा है. Radius is 70 meters. Find the distance and displacement made when the car reaches to the opposite end of the track. Easy.
Yeah.
मतलब exactly opposite end जब reach होगा, he is asking distance and displacement. Understood question? Can doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The displacement will be 140 meters, and
Yes.
the distance. Wait, I'm getting it wrong. 1 second.
Distance is actual path length covered. This path.
Yeah,
This semicircle, right?
yeah.
So distance is semicircle formula is how much? Circumference of a semicircle.
Um, Pi r.
Circumference, yeah, 2 pi r
Yeah,
by 2 is pi r. So 22 by 7 into r is 70. So how much it is? 220 meters is the distance. And displacement is shortest distance from initial position, final position. This is the diameter, right? That's
yeah.
diameter is 140.
140.
Uh,
Sir,
uh, tell.
1 second. Won't the circumference of a semicircle, we have to minus the AB, right? Line AB
No,
from
no,
the
we should not
circumference?
minus anything. See, initial position is where, tell me?
Oh, right, because you won't count that. Okay,
We
yeah.
should not count any place. Initial
Yeah,
position, final position, we have to draw with the scale, and we by using maths, we have to find the length of that line.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Sure. Do. So object moves 3.5 times around the circular path of radius. There's a start over. Is
Yeah.
going 3.5 times it went. Find the total distance and displacement.
Is the displacement 200 meters and
Okay.
the distance is 2,200 meters?
Distance is 2200 and displacement 200. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Understood right concept? Yes.
Sorry?
Understood right concept ka?
Yeah, understood.
A man goes 10 meters towards north and 20 meters towards east. Then the displacement is to the north, south, east, west. Man goes 10 meters towards north and then 20 meters towards east. He's asking displacement.
Yeah.
So the shortest distance from initial position to final position. This length we want to find. How to solve?
Yeah, 1 second.
Doing
Is it 10 root 5?
yes, correct. Just a Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yeah, Pythagoras theorem.
Under root 400 plus 100. So it is 10 root 5. Next. A body moves over one-fourth of a circular arc of a circle of radius r. This is a radius r. Either say start हुआ. It went to one-fourth of the arc. मतलब where it will reach? One-fourth means
Uh, yeah, like a quarter of the circle.
quarter of a circle. It's
Yeah.
just to here. Okay. Find the magnitude of distance and distance displacement traveled. So radius is r.
Yeah. Is the displacement root 2r square?
2r square. No. This is r. This is also r, right?
Yeah.
Shortest distance from initial position to final position. This
Yeah.
length.
So
So root of r square plus r square is how much?
2r square.
अरे बाहर लेके आओ. R square को r so it is r root 2.
Oh, right.
Okay, simplify करके we should tell. Now find the distance.
1/4 pi r.
0.4.
No, 1/4 pi r.
1/4 pi r. Wrong.
Wrong.
Circumference of circle is how much?
Oh, right. My bad.
Uh, so it is pi r by 2.
Yeah, pi r by 2.
Pi r by 2. Because 2 pi r by 4, right? Pi r by 2 is answer.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Now suppose मान लो the particle went from, started from A of radius r. Okay. The particle
Yeah.
went to B here. It came to final position B here. Now how to find displacement? Angle is 120 degrees. Suppose.
Okay.
If it is 90, then happily you are doing Pythagoras theorem. If it is
Yeah.
diameter you're telling. But 120 like that, 160 है तो how to find displacement? So उसके लिए we have a shortcut to find the displacement, and that will be useful only in circular motion में of any angle. It can be
Okay.
160 any angle में. Okay. So in this case में displacement formula is 2r sin theta by 2 is a formula for r capital as a capital L. 2r sin theta by 2 is a formula for displacement at any angle.
Okay.
Okay. Now how much now in this displacement mein? I want this displacement. Shorter distance from initial position to final position. This one. Now theta is how much? 120.
Yeah.
120 by 2 is
60.
60. Sin 60 is
Um.
10th class recently. Na? Sin 60.
Yeah.
Root
Forgot.
3 by 2.
Yeah.
So 2 to cancel. Root 3r is a displacement of the particle of 120 degrees. So this formula is important.
Yeah.
Chalo. Copy it.
Yeah.
No karo. The displacement of a point of a wheel initially in contact with the ground. So this is a ground. One wheel is there. The point P is in contact with the ground. When the wheel rolls forward half the revolution, it is rotating like this wheel. Okay.
Yeah.
Half rotation के बाद he is asking the displacement of the point P is how much? समझ में आया?
Okay.
देखो
It's just this what do you call diameter, right?
answer diameter, no wrong. देखो when the point P came to half revolution, the point P will be where?
On the top of the circle.
Yes, top of the circle. This is a point. I call this as P dash मान लो. Displacement is the shortest distance from initial position to final position.
Oh, right, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, iska radius how much they given? R only, right? R is the
Yeah.
radius. So this also radius R. Okay. Now tell me what is this distance? This is 90. Because this length, 2R.
Yeah.
This length, if I can find, class. Tell me. How much will one full revolution? What will be the length? Tell me.
The circumference of the circle. So this will be
half
half
revolution. Half revolution is pi r.
pi r.
Okay. Now 90 degrees. Two sides are known. We can apply Pythagoras theorem to find this one. So what is that?
Yeah.
P dash will be under root pi r square, pi r whole square plus 2r whole square. So under root pi r square plus 4r square. R बाहर आ जाएगा under root pi plus 4.
4.
See, the school exams, okay, they will give in your wise because there is no board exam for you in the school first year ka. Okay,
Yeah.
but learn depthly, nicely. थोड़ा इधर उधर portion होने दो, no problem, will cover. But learn proper way में, it will be good for you.
Yeah.
Question no need of writing, just draw the diagram and see.
Yeah.
Because however
Yeah,
videos
sure.
will be there for you.
Yeah, sir, I finished.
Done na? Okay, chalo.
Yeah.
Now the distance and displacement variable done. Now we have to talk
Yeah.
about speed and velocity के बारे में. है patience है?
Yeah.
करेगा? Okay,
Yeah.
चलो. Speed. Tell me what do you know about speed? Speed के बारे में tell me.
Speed is
Speed. गाड़ी
quantity.
speed में is going. We are running
Yeah.
with 60 kilometers per hour as a speed. So
Yeah.
speed is nothing but rate of change of distance. We know the formula, right? Speed का formula is what?
Distance by time.
Distance by time. That only we're talking. Rate of change of distance with respect to time is called speed. So speed is equal
Yeah.
to distance by time. Write down. Speed equal distance by time. Rate of change of distance with respect to time is called speed. And is a scalar quantity, vector quantity?
Scalar quantity.
Scalar quantity. There is no direction. And SI units are meters per second. And dimensions, can you tell dimensions kiska?
Length to the
Distance is
power.
L
Yeah.
by T. So क्या होगा?
Yeah.
L
L
T power
minus 1.
minus 1. And M is not there, M power 0. We
0.
put in a square bracket. These are dimensions. So m power 0 L T power minus 1 is the formula. So no need of by hearting anything, but only through formula through we have to make this one.
Yeah.
Computer.
Yeah, sir. And then,
Okay. Now we have different types of speed. Just some little theoretical.
yeah.
Speed. Speed, different types of speed. One is uniform speed. What is the meaning of uniform speed means?
Like it won't wave, it will maintain the same speed throughout the journey or whatever.
Journey में it will maintain the same speed, right? Uniform speed.
Yeah.
मतलब what will happen? It covers equal distance in equal interval of time. So example, car is moving 60 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it is covering? 60. Second hour, how many kilometers is covering? 60.
60.
So the distance in same equal distances in equal interval of time is called as uniform speed. See, 1 second में 5 meters, 1 second में 5 meters. So speed is 5 meters per second is the speed of the journey, total journey.
Yeah.
Oh, uniform speed. दिस ऑल न्यू बुक में पूरा कॉपी कॉपी कर लो पूरा अच्छे से. इट विल बी
Yeah.
मेक थोड़ा मोटा बुक रखो, टोटल 1 बुक में हो जाएगा टोटल ईयर ऐसा.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. I'm done.
Yes. Next one is non-uniform speed. Is exactly ulta, right? So
Yeah.
in equal interval of time में the distance will be different. So therefore speed will be different,
Yeah.
right? So that is called non-uniform speed. If an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is called as non-uniform speed. A car traffic में जो भी है, sometimes fast में traffic less है तो will go fast, traffic more है तो will go slow. So that variable
Yeah.
speed, that is called non-uniform speed. Okay, and because speed every second में like speed distance covered is more. So that's why speed is changing.
Yeah.
एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज एवरेज स्पीड. इसका बेस में आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा पूरा एवरेज स्पीड का. सो में क्वेश्चंस वी हैव टू डू. एवरेज स्पीड मींस
I don't know.
एवरेज. ओके, एवरेज स्पीड मींस टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड पर टोटल टाइम टेकन.
Okay.
So total distance traveled divided by total time taken is called average speed. They can they have different distances. So total distance traveled by total time taken is nothing but average speed. This is the formula. Total distance by total time taken. A basic definition says so many numericals you can solve.
Okay. Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now इसमें some sub cases are there. देखो, average speed depends on distance and time. Okay. And now देखो time average speed. Suppose मान लो you know only speeds and times. Then how to find average speed? They're not given
You
distances.
add all the.
देखो average speed का basic formula is what? Average speed is total distance by total time taken.
Yeah.
Distance you don't know, right? You know
Right.
speeds, you know time. Then how to find this one?
Add all the speeds and then equate them to
No.
some.
देखो formula is what? Speed is equal to
Distance by time.
Distance is equal to
Uh, time into speed.
speed in time, right?
Yeah.
So that means speeds are given, times are given, right? So total distance, first distance is how much? V1 into T1 plus second distance is V2 into T2 plus
Yeah.
V3 into T3 plus so on by total time taken. T1 plus this is the answer. So they will not give always distances and they'll tell to time, they'll tell to find average speed. वो नहीं देगा ऐसा. So
Okay.
total distance by total time taken is like this we have to do numericals में. Right on. Short form when particle roads v1 v2 v3 and in time interval t1 t2 t3 then average speed is this much.
Yeah.
First journey में v1 speed time t1, second journey में v2 speed time t2 and so on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. When the speed moves, when the particle moves with speed v1 for half time and rest time it will be moving with speed v2, then average speed will be v1 plus v2 by 2. See, first you telling, suppose मान लो in total time is t. In t by 2 time में the particle went v1 speed
Okay.
and remaining t half में speed v2. Okay.
Okay.
Then what is average speed? Formula the same है. What is formula tell me? Average speed is total
Total
distance
distance
by
total time.
now to can tell me total distance is how much? Speed and time is given.
Yeah.
So v1 into t by 2 is the
Yeah.
distance, right? Plus इसका distance
V2 into T by 2.
t by 2 by total time taken is
T.
t. So t cancel. So what will left? v1 plus v2 by 2. This is average speed.
Yeah.
So whenever they given, these are general case wala. Whenever half time speeds are given, average speed directly we should tell v1 plus v2 by 2.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now next, suppose मान लो you have distances are given, speeds are given, not time.
Okay.
Then how to find average speed? Only distances and speeds are given. Bolo.
Time is equal to speed into distance.
Tell me speed is equal to formula.
Distance by time.
Time is equal to
Oh, my bad. Time is
Bolo.
equal to distance by speed.
Now tell me basic definition total distance by total time taken, right? So total distance is d1 plus d2 plus d3 so on by
Yeah.
total time taken is distance by speed, right?
Yeah.
d1 by v1 plus d2 by v2 v3 so on.
Yeah.
Copy down. These are sub cases based on the average speed. इसका क्वेश्चंस पूरा करने वाले नेक्स्ट क्लास में पूरा एवरेज
Okay.
स्पीड का.
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Okay, last case में when a particle moves first half distance with v1, second half distance with v2, then average speed. You can derive this one. Tell me how to derive first half distance with speed v1, second half distance with speed v2. So how to find the average speed? Find karo and derive this one.
Yeah. I don't understand.
Okay, average velocity formula. Tell me.
Velocity,
Average speed formula.
distance by time. Oh,
That
never
is
mind. Sorry. Average. Total distance by total time.
total distance by total time. Okay, total distance is how much?
Just D.
Uh, by total time is how much?
Um,
So this time
V1.
plus this time, right?
Yeah.
This time is how much
Uh,
in terms of speed and distance?
Distance by speed.
Distance is how much? D by 2
Two.
by V1 is 2
V1.
V1 plus
Yeah.
D by 2 V2.
V2.
So D cancel.
Yeah.
So 1 by 2 if I take common, 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2.
Plus 1 by V2.
So
Yeah.
2 ऊपर जाएगा.
Yeah.
And if you take LCM, V1 plus V2, ऊपर गया तो V1 V2. 2 V1
Yeah.
V2 by V1 plus V2 is the formula.
Okay.
So average velocity find करने का different methods में, but basic definition is this one only.
Okay.
So when a half times are given, use V1 plus V2 by 2. When the given half distances, use 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Shortcut.
Okay.
इसके बाद लास्ट एक स्पीड इज देयर हो जाएगा.
Yeah. I noted this down.
डन ना?
Yeah.
Yes. So last one is instantaneous speed.
Okay.
Instantaneous speed means at particular instant में what is the speed we want to know. Suppose I run for 5 seconds.
Mm.
What is my third second speed? What is my fourth second speed? That is called instant speed.
Okay.
Okay. Average means total distance by total time taken. ऐसा नहीं. Instant speed. Okay. So instant speed, the speed of the object at particular instant of time, that is called as instantaneous speed. And we represent this speed को limit terms में लिखने वाला है, because maths में आएगा. Delta t tends to 0 means nothing but very small interval of time में how much the particle distance covered. That we
Okay.
represent as ds by dt. This is called differentiation. Differentiation we have to know, we have to do also. Mathematical basic maths mein we do this all differentiation. Okay. Which we finished in that class mein, but I will tell. So differentiation ds by dt. Instantaneous speed का formula है ds by dt. मतलब rate of change of distance by time. This one we'll know slowly when you come to the differentiation.
Okay.
Right on.